Ruling party divisions now visible at public events. Zarapinda mashkobuda chionekwa pangwani kunzi ma-deviants akuchinyatso kuonekwa the ruling party ZANU-PF through ma-weddings, ma-funerals. Zvinatsobuda pachena kuti panguva inayi kune vamwe vanhu vanokwa kunzi vanoenda kuma-weddings evamwe asingaendi, anga asina kuenda ku that wedding kune kumwe kwazoitika funeral anoenda achinoatenda ikoko, and then vanga atenda wedding kuya avachaetendi ma-funerals. Zvinatsoonekwa kunzi panguva inayi ma-divisions are visible in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Recently, we have seen kuti Vice President Constantino Chiwenga he went in Charai village, Wende Valley, to attend the burial of Mrs. Calista Chimini, the sister of the Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture, retired Lieutenant General Namo Anselm Sanyatwe. Mrs. Chimini was the wife of the former Mutasa North legislator, Mr. David Anthony Chimeni. VP Chiwenga was accompanied by his wife, Colonel Midiotabo Chiwenga. Also in attendance were Minister Sanyatwe, the Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development, Honorable Felix Mona, ZANU-PF Political Member Lieutenant General, retired Njobet Rugeje, the Secretary for Medical and Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Mr. Abiot Marongi, and other senior government officials. Analysts are wondering why some officials from the same province who support Cap 3, including the Minister of Defense, Comrade Rupamchunguri Kashiri, Central Committee member Comrade Paul Tungwarara, and Comrade Superman Wanzira, were not present at the funeral. Political observers say the divisions within the ruling party are now more visible to the public. They note that officials who opposed the constitutional amendment bill also did not attend businessmen Udakwashe Taguresi's son's wedding, where gifts worth an estimate of $20 million were reportedly displayed, suggesting a pattern how these factions are aligning at public events. Toma developments are ruda pangwaine. Pena comment section meduza fura any more to leave on ZVAITWA each. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.